Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Google Stitch to Antigravity IDE. So open your browser and navigate to the Google Stitch right here. Click on that. So this is the official web page. Now, what we are going to do is we will click on Profile Picture. Then what you are going to do is select Stitch Settings and then navigate here to the API key section and click create key right here on the right side, just like that, and copy the generated key immediately and save it securely. Okay, so now we have our API key. Next thing what we need to do is open our Google Antigravity editor, so IDE, like this, in the agent chat window on the right side. So we need to open the agent window first. So if you don't have here on the right side the open the agent window, you can do it like that. You go here at the top where you will see toggle agent, click on that, and just like that you will see it right here. Now at the top you will see these three dots icon, and yeah, click on that and then select MCP server from this short menu, and right here now type in Stitch like that and click install. So install Stitch API key. When the configuration prompt appears, you will paste right here this API key into the required field and save. Okay, so now how do we test this? So we go back to our agent right here and let's do that right here. List my Stitch projects. So if you have one, you should need to see this right over here. So let's see. I don't have any project. These are just the examples. So we will see what we will get. Yes. Okay. Submit. And now we need to wait. And as you can see, no Stitch project were found in your account. So it's correct. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the